Imagine a world where your job, your status, even your right to use money are all determined by your gender and fertility. Welcome to the economy of the Handmaid's Tale, a dystopian nightmare where capitalism is dead, freedom is a threat, and human reproduction is the state's most valuable currency. Before Gilead, people worked, earned, spent, and owned. Capitalism wasn't perfect, but it was built on freedom. The freedom to earn a living, to own your future. But when the regime rose to power, that freedom vanished overnight. Bank accounts were frozen, credit cards deactivated, women's money transferred directly to their male guardians. Private businesses were shut down or absorbed by the state. There are no startups in Gilead, no side hustles, no Wall Street. Profit is replaced with obedience. Gilead doesn't operate on supply and demand. It runs on command and control. Every role, every resource, every ration is assigned from the top down. Your economic value isn't based on what you can do. It's based on what your body is worth to the regime. There's no real money, just ration cards, status privileges, and the silent threat of punishment. In capitalism, labor is voluntary. In Gilead, it's enforced. Capital is no longer financial, it's biological. And freedom? That's the one thing you can't afford.